Hi. A flow measurement can be calculated from a differential pressure of a flow element, and transmitter is often used to convert this pressure to electrical signal that will be sent to the control system. In the control system, the signal is converted from a differential pressure it represents to a flow measurement. This calculation can sometimes go wrong. And this application I've made is the purpose of it is to make it more easy to troubleshoot. This is how it looks. You will see it in action later, but now we're going to see the use case for calculating the values. You can see here that when you push the calculate button, this code will run. And the first thing that will happen is that it reads all the values from the GUI, and then it calculates the variables, the gain, the flow value, zero, and span on the flow. And those values it gets from the 4 methods for calculating gain, flow, zero, and span in the class called calculate. Here you see how that happens. You have these 4 methods, and here you have them stored in those variables. At last, you have them plotted on these text boxes, and also you fill the chart with values that also plots the values here. And calls those methods in the calculate class. So now we're going to see how the program works. Now we're going to look how the program works in practice. And here I have put in some values. This is values from the flow element in the duct. And this is the flow element have a differential pressure that the transmitter reads here. The transmitter have a zero and a span value, and it will read this value here. For example, 125 Pascal, and it will send electrical signal that is equivalent to this one. And in the control system, that value will be calculated to a flow measurement. When we press this button, here you can see that the differential pressure have been calculated to flow, and the range have been calculated from Pascal to flow, and also you have the gain here. Also you can see, so this is the value that should be in the control system, the gain, this span, and this zero. And you should also get this reading if you have this differential pressure over the flow element. So this can be used to troubleshoot. Also, you can show the formula here, and you can export to a CSV file or just clear here. And you see that the operating point there is simulated here. That was the value that was calculated upon there. Here is the whole characteristics of the flow element. This is just operating point. So if you change this differential pressure here to 250, you will have a point here, and